Hello, curious minds. Get ready to embark on a journey and meet some remarkable women who helped shape the world. Let's go to the museum. Hunny is ready to teach you. Rosa Parks. She stood up for what's right by not giving up her bus seat, making the world more fair. That's standing up for fairness and equality. Helen Keller. Even though she couldn't see or hear, she learned and taught us that we can do anything with determination. Marie Curie. She loved science and found out amazing things about the world, inspiring us to ask questions. Amelia Earhart. She flew planes and showed us that being brave lets us explore new horizons. Jane Goodall. She watched animals in the wild and taught us to care for our planet and its creatures. Malala Yousafzai. She spoke up for girls' education, reminding us that learning is important for everyone. Katherine Johnson. She used math to help rockets fly, showing us that our minds can solve big problems. Sacagawea. She guided explorers and shared her knowledge, helping them discover new places. Time to go home. Keep learning and celebrating the incredible women who help shape our world. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Hit the subscribe.